Hello everyone, this is Echo from Kitty Group Limited. We have been specialized in non-woven bag making machine since 2011. Today I'd like to introduce you the box bottom bag, which is very popular in our daily life, and it has advantages of being convenient to carry and can hold more items, and it is widely used in the shopping malls. And then let me show you this bag, okay? And firstly, the overall standing appearance of the bag, just like this, okay? And then the details of the bags. The top soft handle is folded to enhance the load-bearing capacity, and next, the process of the side of the bags. The box bottom bag is formed in one time, and the side edges are molded through molds, so the side edges are totally different from the other side edge sealing types, and it is a welding with 4 parts appearing on the side of the bags, so it can make the side of the bags welded more firmly. Here is the bag size in our machine. You can check. The width is 180 mm to 570 mm. Height is 150 mm to 450 mm. The gusset is 70 mm to 200 mm. Back top folding width is 40 mm to 80 mm. And the box bottom bags have many optional functions, which I will gradually show you in the following videos. Okay, more details, please do not hesitate to contact our sales team by email sales@kittygroup.com or visit our website www.kittygroup.com. Okay, if you are interested in our videos, welcome to subscribe to our channel. Bye!